Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to create this quick attendance sheet using the simple tabular data. So here you can see we have employee ID, employee name, supervisor, date and the attendance of that particular date. And we have created this pivot table using that data wherein we are showing the date, and this is all dynamic. If you make any change here in the input sheet and refresh this pivot table, it will automatically adjust that changes. We have created two slicers also. First one for the month. Here you can see it is showing the data for the multiple months. You can select any month from here. See, it will show the attendance accordingly. And you can select the supervisor also. Let's say you want to see the data for Jack, PK or for any supervisor. It will show the relevant data only. These present, absent, leave and absenteeism count will be changed automatically. I will show you one more thing. Because we are seeing this data at employee level, so it is showing the present, absent or leave. You can collapse this, then automatically it will show the supervisor level data and it will show the attendance percentage. For example, here we are seeing for Jack, for 2nd Jan it is showing 80%. If I will expand this, then here you can see we have total 10 count and we have 2 absent, 8 are present. That means we have 80% attendance. Alright, similarly here we have 70% attendance, 1 leave and 2 absent. If I will collapse, then here you can see. So automatically it is changing the number. It's a dynamic way to present the data and it's ready to use template. You can simply delete this data and you can put your data and just refresh the attendance sheet. Automatically it will show the attendance data. Okay, for Fab we have data till 18th only, and here again we can select any supervisor. Alright friends, now I will explain you step by step how you can create this quickly using the pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Let's go to the input sheet and let's copy this data, press Ctrl N to add a new workbook and paste that as a value and number format, this one. So we have here pure raw data. We will format this data. So first what we will do, we will convert this range into a table. So let's select this range, press Ctrl L and just click on OK. You can see it has been converted into a table. You can remove the banded rows. Now it will look like this. This is table 1. Here you can see. You can rename this. Let's say I want to keep here data. Go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. Now let's go to the Power Pivot tab. Friends, I have already created a lot of videos on the Power Pivot topic and I have explained how we can add this Power Pivot tab in our Excel ribbon. Request to please watch my previous videos about this. Now just click anywhere on this table and just click on Add to Data Model. So here you can see it has been added to data model. Now we will add few columns. The first column we will add sorting month column and just hit the enter. Now we will write some DAX code for this. So I'll use here format and I will use the date field date, and here I will use by Y and then MM. Just close and hit the enter. This particular column we will use just to sort our month name. Otherwise what will happen? Month name will come in the alphabetical order because month will be as text. Now let's convert this into a whole number. So it's a whole number now. Now let's click on add column and now here we will add our month. And in the month we will take format and date column, this one, and we will format in MMM-by format. Just close. Okay, so we have this month available here, but it's a text, so we will sort this. Go to the sort by column, click on sort by column, and this month name already here. We will select by this sorting month. Click on OK. Alright. Now we will create a pivot table. So let's click on pivot table, create a new sheet, click on OK. So this new sheet is ready. Now we can create a pivot table here using the supervisor. put in the rows, then put the employee name in the rows, then date, let's put in the columns, and now let's close this. We will format this properly, right click and ungroup the dates first, so all the dates will be visible. Now we will create two columns, basically the tabular format. So go to the design, report layout, and let's show in tabular form. Okay, so it will look like this. Now here we will show our attendance. Now I'll go to the show field list. If I will go to the attendance and I will put into value, then what will happen? It will show the numbers in place of present and absent. And if I will collapse this, it will show the sum of that. So we don't need this. We need the absent, present, and when we will collapse this, it should show the attendance percentage or the present percentage. Alright. So now here we will create a DAX measure. So what I will do, right click, go to the show field and remove this count of attendance from here. Close this. Go to the Power Pivot tab again and go to the measures, click on new measure. We will create the attendance as a calculated measure. So I am putting the name of this measure attendance calculation or attendance underscore cal. Now here we will take few variables. So let's make it slightly bigger. Okay, the first variable I will take where I will take the present count. To get the present count, I'll use calculate function. In the expression, we will take count rows of data table and we will put a filter here that will be my attendance column should be equal to present or P, and just close this. So this will be my present count. Next we will take where all count except week off. Okay, so now here we can take the same formula and just paste here. In this case we will take is not equal to week off. That will be my all count except week off. Week off we are not taking in the calculation. Now here we can take the attendance for supervisor. So I have created a variable attendance for so, and that will be our divide. The present count I will use as a numerator. So just type here this present count variable, comma, denominator I will use all count, which is basically all except week off. Okay. In alternate result, put blank and just close. Now this will return a decimal number which we can convert into percentage format. But when we will show present and absent in the same field, that will be the text. So let's convert this one also into text. So let's put format function before divide, format, and in the last just put the comma. Format we will use in the inverted comma 0% and just close this. So now this will return the text. Okay, so we have got attendance for supervisor. Let's create where attendance for employee also, and we will use here selected value function, this one, and we will take attendance column, this one. So we will get the selected value of the attendance. It will return the value whenever only single value is there. If there are multiple, then it will return the blank. So just put the alternate result blank. Just close this. Alright. Now we will put here return statement, and I will use here if function if, then I will use is in scope, and I will take employee name. If employee name is in scope, then it should return this variable which is attendance for employee. So just type here attendance for employee. Alright, I'll put another if function here. If is in scope supervisor, then we will show attendance for supervisor, this one. Okay, in else case we will show here blank. Just close this and we will close the final if. Okay, now we will click on check formula. So here you can see there is no error in our DAX function. Now I can click on OK. Automatically it has been added to pivot table. Right click, go to the field list, and here you can see this tax function attendance underscore cal is added. If it is not added, then you can manually drag here. Okay, if employee name is in scope, then it is showing here this one, and wherever employee name is not in scope, only supervisor is in scope, then it is showing percentage. If I will collapse, then here you can see it is showing percentage. Alright, now I'll make some formatting here, like we don't need this subtotal or we don't need the grand totals. So what I will do, go to the design and go to the subtotals and click on first option, that is do not show subtotals. Then same for the grand totals, off for rows and columns. Alright, now we will select this range till the end and press Alt OE to open the format cells. Here we will go to the alignment and align this text to the 90 degree. Click on OK. Okay. Again press Alt OE and we will change the date format also. So go to the number, custom, and here we will type D-MMM. Click on OK. So this will show the short date form. Now let's collapse this so that here it will take the percentage. Select entire worksheet and then go to the home and reduce the size little bit. Select this row and press Ctrl 9 to hide this. Now we will reduce the size of the column. So let's take it for 1. So let's say this size is okay. Now let's copy this from here and go till the end. Paste a special column width. Okay, so automatically column width will be adjusted. Go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. So now it is looking like this. Alright, let's add few rows in the starting. So we have added 2 rows here. Now let's delete this column. Now just right click on the pivot table, go to the pivot table option, and here uncheck this auto fit column width on update. Click on OK. Alright, now we will use the conditional formatting here. And to use the conditional formatting, just click on any cell and press Alt OD to open the conditional formatting rule manager and click on new rule, or you can go to the home conditional formatting and you can click on new rule. Now here it is saying apply to this cell, but we will select this apply cell showing attendance underscore cal value for employee name and date. We will go to the format only cell that content, select here equal to, and first we will put for the P. So just type here P, go to the format, fill, and for P we will take this light green color, this one, click on OK, OK. So here you can see it has been applied. Press Alt OD to open the conditional formatting rule manager, click on new rule, and similarly we will select this, equal to, and here we will put A this time. For absent format we'll take this color. Okay, okay. New rule again, select this equal to. For leave we will take blue color, lighter, this one. Okay, okay. Next one we can take for the week off. So select this equal to, type here week off. We will take this color. Okay, okay, and apply. Now here you can see border is not visible. If you want to show some border also, we can make some changes in the conditional formatting. Press Alt OD. Let's edit this one and format. Go to the border and let's select this border. Let's take this gray color. Click on outline. The same thing we will do with all conditional formatting. Select this one, edit, format, border this one, select this. So we have taken border for all type of cells. Apply. Okay, you can see a border in the background. Alright, we can change the pivot table style also. Just click anywhere on the pivot table, go to the design, take the pivot table style, and you can take it from here. You can choose any one. Let's say I have taken this one. Now it is looking like this. this. Click anywhere on the pivot table, go to the pivot table, analyze, insert the slicer. We will take the slicer for supervisor name and month. Click on OK. So we have here month and the supervisor. Now for month, let's say this one style, and for supervisor, let's say we can take this one. For supervisor, let's take 2 column. So it is little short now, and for month, let's take 3 column. We can remove the header from both of the slicer. Right click, go to the slicer setting and uncheck this display header. Same thing we will do here. Right click, go to the slicer setting, uncheck this display header. Adjust the width. Select this row and go to the view and go to the freeze pans and again click on freeze pans. So if you will scroll, the top row and the slicer will be visible. If I will select any month, then here you can see it is getting changed. For Feb, if you are able to select the multiple one on the one click, so right click, go to the slicer setting and display headers and uncheck this multiple selection, or you can press Alt S also. Now right click, go to the slicer setting and uncheck this display header. Okay, now if you will click, only one month at a time will be selected. Alright, if I will collapse, then here you can see we are able to see the percentage, but that is not visible properly. So let's make this slightly bigger. Let's say this one. Now copy this and from here till the end press Alt ES and W for the column width. Click on OK. Let's come here. It is properly visible. Okay, if I will expand any, then here I can see the attendance for that. Now we can quickly create that summary to show the present, absent. So let's select these 3 cells, go to the home and merge and center. Let's take here this green color and select these and click on merge and center. Alright. And here I will use the count if function, count if, and from here till the end and till the end here. Press F4 to freeze this, comma, I will count the present for P. Just hit the enter. Here I will type present. Font I will take white, this one, make this bold and align this. Here I will take the font as Arial rounded empty bold, slightly bigger. Color I will take the same green color. Select this range, press Alt OE, go to border, take this thick border with the same color outline. Click on OK. So it will look like this. Copy this and paste this here, then paste this here, next paste this here. We will take 4. Move this slicer a little bit here. Second one we will take for the absent. Then next we will take for leave, and the last we will take for the absentee. Alright, so we have taken all 4. Put the formula for absent. Here let's take A, and for leave paste, let's take here L. Now for the absentees we will take in bracket absent plus leave, divide by, in bracket we will take present plus absent plus leave. You can change this formula if you are taking more attendance type. Accordingly you can handle this. I will use the if error function also because it can return the divide error if denominator becomes 0. So I'll use here if error, this one, bracket, then it will return blank. Just hit the enter and select this, go to the percentage, this one. You can show in the decimal or you can remove the decimal. It's up to you. Now for this one we will take this color, font we will take this color, and for leave let's take this color, and font also we will take this color. You can take for absentee this color, again this color. Absent you can take dark red. Change the border also quickly. So let's select this, press Alt OE, go to the border, select here this one, click on outline, OK. Same here, select these two, press Alt OE, Same theme color, this one, click on outline. Okay, and same here, press Alt OE and select this one, outline. Okay. Alright, so this is ready. Now we can go to the view and remove the headings also. Alright friends, now we can expand this and this one also. If I will select any month, accordingly it will be changed. If I will select any supervisor, then you can see it is getting changed. Alright, so friends, that is how you can quickly create this attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. It's a fully dynamic. You can use the Power Viewer to create this. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.